What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I just wanted to let you all know that I appreciate you all being here. I have some things coming up that I want to share with you guys. So I am giving you all a heads up to let you know that I have a lot that is I'm getting ready to do with myself, with my life, and I am excited about it. I'm excited to share it with you all, to take you all along on this journey. You know, I've talked about so much about my channel, my YouTube channel, and getting that to grow and everything. So I'm still going to do that, but there are some other things outside of YouTube and my YouTube channel that I have started to put in motion, and I am super excited about it. I'm scared, but it's a good scared. I've just matured so much, and I know y'all are probably like, you're in your 50s, you should be very mature, but not mature in the sense of like, childish or something like that, but just mature in the belief, starting to believe in myself, starting being open to taking risk and moving forward with goals that I've had for the longest. But let me tell you something, God's timing is always the best timing. So I have been investing in myself and things that I want to do over a course of years. And for a long time, you guys, I haven't shared the story about some health issues that came about that really hindered me from doing, a lot of things that I wanted to do. But I've always had this certain mindset about what I'm about to start doing now. And this health scare came many years ago, like over 20 years ago. So it's been a while. But like I said, God's timing is always the best timing. And never, ever count yourself out. Like, even though I was going through things, I always had in the back of my head, I was still going to pursue the things in life that I wanted to pursue. And I think the opportunity, the timing is now. And God has put the opportunities in front of me. Y'all, when God puts opportunities in front of you, try your best not to miss them. Ask God to open your eyes to see the opportunities that, he puts in front of you, whether it's something for you to help someone. But yeah, ask God to open your eyes. And I did that. I feel like my nose is about to run every time I come outside, my nose. But yeah, so I'm just excited. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up to let you know that I'll be sharing some stuff with you all, letting you all know what this new outlook, this new adventure, how it's going. Again, I've already started taking steps to get the ball rolling, and I'm going to share with you all a little more, you know. Oh, excuse me, when I feel like the time is right. So I'm about to go in the house. I just left the store. I had to stop and get a couple of things and pick up something to cook for dinner. So I'm about to go in the house and cook dinner and help my husband out with something if he needs it, something he's doing. So I will be seeing you guys soon. I'll see you all in the next clip. Stay tuned. Yeah, and I'll see y'all then. All right. All right, you guys. So I am cooking tacos tonight. So I'm gonna cook some Spanish white rice to go with it as well. But I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up from the store. So I have, of course, my salsa. Gonna do some Spanish rice. I was in Dollar General and they had a buy one get one free on household stuff. So I have those. Um, these right here are just glass containers, and these are like book holders. I think that's what you call them. They're real heavy. I'm thinking about spray painting those. I got some drop-ins for the toilet from Clorox, Fragancia, or something like that. Yep. So again, this is just stuff I picked up from Dollar General. So that was some household stuff. I got mayo. I got some snacks, of course. Now this is the Dollar General brand of coffee syrup flavoring. So I am going to try that. I've never tried that before. Picked up some more snacks. These are my favorite skins in Dollar General. They are so good. They're expensive though. They're like $2 and something a bag. But yeah, so I also got some green sauce for the tacos. I'm gonna do some black beans because my husband loves black beans and rice. Picked us up some ice cream. It's summertime, but we eat ice cream year round. Yeah. Got some air fryer liners. I like to put those in the air fryer. Um, what else? Yes, so my neighbor across the street, his girlfriend is having a baby, so I did pick them up. Just a little gift, just a little something, some draft to wash the baby's clothes in, a nail file and clipper, and some diaper rash ointment. So that's gonna come in handy. But yeah, so this is everything that I picked up from the store. All right, let's get to cooking. So I decided to do shrimp and chicken tacos. So that's the shrimp cooking, and the chicken is ready. And I heated up the black beans. I almost overheated them, y'all. They were kind of sticking, but they were okay. And of course, the Spanish rice. So we're going to have those with our tacos. I don't usually do that, but I decided to do something different because sometimes when we go out to eat and we get like the chicken and shrimp and steak bowls, we get the black beans and rice. So we're going to do that. And I just got some avocado that I like on my tacos. Got soft shells and crunchy tacos for me and the kiddo. Let's go. What's up, you guys? Hello, hello, hello. So I am about to take my hair out, take my hair down, and retwist it. I'm not going to shampoo it or anything because I'm getting ready to go on a cruise. And my hair is clean. I haven't been putting a lot of product or anything in there. So my hair is basically clean. So I am just going to take these twists out, retwist it, because we will be leaving on the cruise June 16th. So the Monday after Father's Day. So I am excited. I would definitely try to get some footage on the cruise. We're going on a Carnival cruise to the Bahamas, I believe, family cruise. So yeah, I am excited. And can't wait. Got some other things going on as well that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So I will see you guys in the next clip. Hey you guys, welcome back. So I believe in the last clip I said I was about to take my hair down and retwist it, and I did, even though I recorded that clip like a few days ago. So yeah, I finally retwisted my hair for the cruise, and we are about to get set. I just picked my grandbaby up, my baby up from camp, and we are about to go pick up some pizza for dinner. I have to go pick up my paperwork for the cruise from my sister's house. So we are in the car. I just wanted to come on up here and really go ahead and end this vlog, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog because I have another vlog that I should be putting out. Hopefully I can get it out before the cruise. Like today is Thursday, June the 12th, I believe. But I want to try to get another video out before I start recording on the cruise. And then I'll put that video out once we get back, and I can get that edited and uploaded and posted. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. continue to support your girl. We're going to get better. We're going to grow better. And we're going to do this together. So again, I have a lot of stuff that's coming up. But right now, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you have not already subscribed, don't forget to do that. We appreciate you. And we'll see you all in the next video. All right, you guys, please take care of yourself. Be good to yourself, because if you're not good to yourself, you are no good to or for anyone else. But yeah. So we will see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care now. All right, and I love y'all. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.